Well, the car's back together. It's running. Just drove out to go grab some late dinner. This is the intake temperature sensor gauge. Intake temp gauge. There are two needles on there. One of them is plugged directly into the air box where the filter is, and the other one is in the intake manifold. And so essentially it sets a minimum limit for the one in the intake manifold. It can never be cooler than what's in the intake box unless this water injection works. So we'll get another video here in a little bit and see if that works out for us. Welcome back. Just went out and did some testing. That's that run you saw. On those gauges, the red needle is the needle, or is the sensor that's mounted in the intake manifold. The green is the sensor mounted in the air filter box. When those runs are going on, the click sound and the chuffing were caused by the solenoid up here, mounted against the bulkhead, and then the pump itself. And the remainder of this messy installation here in the trunk is the reservoir and the controller. The reservoir holds about half a gallon. Did check, we were burning water on those runs, so used up quite a bit. It's only has about a third of the tank still full. And then while we're back here, something else to look at is these custom carbon fiber mounting brackets that are mainly a result of me not anticipating the need to mount that tank high enough to be able to drain out the bottom. I don't really like this setup. At some point I'll probably get it fixed. In the meantime, I do need to clean up all these wires so I don't have a short or something running around. But the summary is, it looks like it is burning the water. The red needle was dropping down below the ambient temperature. You know, there's quite a few issues that could be with installation, where they're mounted. Is the airflow actually going past the sensors being measured correctly? But it appears that it is. The water injection is dropping the intake manifold temperature below ambient air temperature. I've seen really large numbers for alcohol injection. As much as 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 100% methanol. Those alcohol burning dragsters will develop ice on their intake manifolds or on their supercharger inlets just because of that cooling effect as the alcohol evaporates. But either way, the engine was running fine. None of the bucking or surging that I had gotten with the installation near the mass airflow sensor. So installing in the neck of the intake manifold is a lot better. I've got a lot of questions on whether the two cylinder banks are receiving equal flow of water, but that's something I'll have to diagnose a lot later. Anyway, this last 2 days has been quite a bit of work to get everything installed, but looks like we're at a stopping point for now. So thanks for watching, and I'll update you guys later.